John with Big Crazy Outdoor Adventures here, and we are at Cliff Cave Park. It's St. Louis, Missouri, October 15th. Gonna check out the trails, see if they're still, closed and flooded. And, I did a video earlier this year kind of showcasing some of the flooding. I know the water's quite a bit receded. I know there's some flooding in some places, but so stay tuned. Looks like a new sign here at Cliff Cave, and I'm just gonna give this trail a check it out. So that trail begins at the park, in the parking lot, and it pops on here at the Overlook, and then it continues on across the road. Thought this was appropriate for today. The spirit of the Cliff Cave. During cold winter days, caves like this one occasionally breathe a cool mist into the open air. Some Native American people considered this to be the breath of a Wakon or Osage spirit. The parking lot is over there. The lower parking lot is over there. River is still up quite a bit. I'd say it's normally not back this far. So, however, the trail is accessible down here where it was not earlier this year. This is much better than last time. It's trail's not totally covered, so that's good. That's progress. Got the lower Overlook here. The view of the Mississippi. Bad news, got the trail flooded sign, so the water was well past this point here, and you can see there's some standing water down there, but most of the trail appears to be open. I'm going to give it a closer look. I'm going to go to the left over here, check out this section of trail over there. I have a feeling that's more mud than I want to deal with today, so I think this is where the adventure ends on this trail. This is the 5-mile loop down at the bottoms. I did see from the up at the Overlook, looked like there was water down on the trail down there as well. So, Cliff Cave Trail to Telegraph. Some drunk jerk ran off the road and hit the sign, I assume. Saw a picture of this in the Oco community. Hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, get outside and have some fun. Thanks for watching.